Hey guys, Kalani here with World Drum Club. I wanted to give you a heads up on a couple things that are exciting. We're going to be having some giveaways or prizes for some contests that we'll be running, so you need to be a patron of the channel to have a chance, but we're going to give away two awesome kalimbas courtesy of WePlayWellTogether.com. Here they are. How awesome are those? You want to get your thumbs going on those bad boys. All right, so we're going to give away both of those, one of each. And then also from Can Do Percussion, they kindly donated a Katak wearable cajon and also the Smashbox, or Smash Bros. I think it's called, no, Mashbox. Little cajones, and those sound like this. How cool is that? You guys, I'm excited for you because some of you will have a chance to win that stuff. Also, I'm going to be adding to the Facilitation Friday series, a whole series on community drumming facilitation or community music facilitation. We've got more djembe rhythms, all notated, all individually parted out for patrons. So there's a lot of good stuff happening at patreon.com/Kalani. If you're not already a member, check it out. Consider joining for, like I say, the cost of a fancy cup of coffee. It might even be less than that by now. I have no idea. But enjoy. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. And I'll see you guys soon.